Hello friends, welcome back. Here you can see that I just use the long data type here. So for that I just use it, and here you basically use it. This is the total number here. I just you can store it here, and I just zoom it so that you can see it properly. This is the number you it's started, and this is the number you can store inside it. All the number will be this type of data will be stored here, and this is the total example here, and this is the total program here, and this is the total output here. So for that I just see that this is the declare the variable for value, and this is L is used for our long data type, and we just use system.out.println for our printing purpose, and my number is our variable here, user defined variable here, and the long is our data type. So this and this is the 15 number. This total number is our data will be stored inside the long data. So for that I just use it. So for that I just go here, and again I just create a new class here, that is I just give the name, that is program 09, and I just press ok here, and after that I just again write, that is public static void main, and after that I just save, that is a string args here, and after that I just write that is long my number, and after that I just write the total number here, and after that I make sure that you give the L alphabet, so that it is used for our long data. And after that I just use system.out.println, and after that you can see that is my number, and I just use semicolon here, and after that you can see that this is I just write it here, and this is the total output here. So for that I just write it. After this I just again go to the Intel ID, and after that I just save it, and after that run it. So for that I just write I just save it here. Make sure the class name and the file name should be same. If there is any exceptional occur, it may throw error. So for that I just write it here, and next one is our I just compile it, and after that I just run it. For compilation we just press Ctrl Shift F9, and for running we just press Ctrl Shift F10. So this one is used here, and after that you can see that the execution here. This is the output here basically, and this is the total program here, and this is L for use for long data type, and this is the class name here, and this is our main method here. So I just write it here, that is main method. D is not showing, but still I just write D here. This is the main method here, and this one is our declaring variable for value. This is L for our long data type, and this one is our value for is a display, and the long is our data type. My num is our user defined variable, and I just write it so that it can be clear. Declare variable, I just again write variable, and this one is our system.out.println is our for printing purpose, and this is my number here, and this is for printing the output here. So for that is for printing purpose, uh, printing value here. So this one is for long data type.